Stay down, stay down. Do not. He's big, Mike. He's big. He's big. He's big. He's big. He's big, bro. He's a piggin, dog. He's a piggin, bro. Oh, yeah. Piggin. Got a piggin. Yay. Piggin. Damn, he's a piggin, Mike. He's a piggin, bro. He's a tank, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, yeah. Woo! Yes. Thanks, little dude. All right, big mama, get back in there. Go get bigger. Go get fat and healthy. Piggin, bro.
Really?
I'm gonna bounce him.
Oh.
Yeah, dog. You see her? Baby. Oh.
That's another 6, dude.
Fuck it. Hell yeah, son. Piggin. Oh my gosh. I just seen that fish right there. Get in the boat, baby. That's a 7-pounder, dog. Woo-hoo. Woo-hoo. Killing him. You don't like that. Oh my gosh, Aiden.
Get it.
Holy shit. Ooh.
You want me to get him?
I'm gonna post it.
Oh my God, Tristan, let me just get him.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, Tristan.
A slut. Bass attack on the surface. Bass cast. You got one? Oh yeah, hook him. Oh, he's big. Keep him hooked. Keep him hooked. Keep that line tight. Oh, it's a big one, babe. Keep it tight. Oh, babe, keep him tight, please. Don't let him jump. Oh my gosh, it's big, babe. It's big. Holy shit. Oh my gosh, babe. Oh, that's a the trolley motor. Babe, oh my gosh, that's a stud.
Look who pulled out the bigger fish.
I thought I was like stuck on your line, so I was like, oh, what the heck?
She did. Good job, babe. Oh, hey, oh. That counts. Ah! I thought I had a good one. Oh, he pit. Oh, he just deuced on me, bro. That is disgusting. Oh, it's a piggin, dog. Oh, it's a piggin. Oh my gosh, Michael. Dude, it's a piggin, bro. Oh, dude, that's a tank, bro. Oh, it's a tank, dog. Bounce him. That's a 10, bro.
Yes!
Giant!
That's what I'm talking about!
Yeah!
That's what I'm talking about! You see that long skip?
Yeah, dude.
Blah! This song. Yeah, on the cheater. Oh my God. Serious?
Oh yeah, it's big, bro. It's a piggin, dog.
Tristan, easy.
Oh my gosh, dude, look at that. Dude.
Ow. Teeth. shaking right now. Look at the gut on this fish. We're gonna get one more look at her and then just put her back in the water. I'm still shaking. I can't believe that happened.
Look at that fish. Look at the gut on it. Woo! Yeah, baby. Piggn.
All right, big girl, go get 10 pounds.
There's one. Oh, it's a piggn, dog. He's a piggn, bro. Oh, don't jump, don't jump. Oh, he's a piggn, bro. He's a piggn, Mike. All right. Oh, dude. It's 1-0, baby.
Bro, what?
Look at that. Choked it, absolutely crushed it, dude. That's a good fish. Oh my gosh, here we go. Get 10 pounds. Really? Oh, piggn, bro. Piggn, dog, piggn. Keep it cut. Fucking bounce him. Oh, he's hooked good, bro. Oh, get him in there. Get him in there.
First bass of my life. Give me a break.
Oh my gosh, bro. That was crazy, dude. I just caught my first Alamo Lake bass and on a jig, and I was swimming it back so fast. It was insane. You're done. Oh. Get in the boat, little dude. Dude, shut up. Oh, dude, no, it just hurt really bad. Oh, dude, he got me good. Oh, All right, guys, so Joey's getting a little jealous over here and just like, you just
blasted him.
Ooh, it stings, bro. Yeah, there you go. Oh, it's a piggn. Oh, get in here, boy. Oh, you don't like that. Oh, bounce him in the boat. 4-pounder. Boom, Joey. Oh, he's bigger. Oh, yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about.
That 5-inch cheater bait right there.
Oh, yeah, that's a good one, dude. Oh, come on. It's a big old gopher snake right there, man. Look at that. Woo! That's a gopher. Oh, look at that snake. That's a good one, dude. Oh, hell no, bro. Ah!
Oh, get him, boy. Left, bro, it's left. Whoa! Oh my god. Whoa! Is it left or right, bro? I can't see it. Oh! Bro, I can't go left, bro. Oh, wait, is it this way? I don't know, bro. I don't know either, bro. We're going. Oh my god! Bro, like. I don't know where my GoPro went, bro. Oh! Bro, but there's bugs all over me, dude. Oh, bro, I don't like this. I don't like this. Ah! you got one there? Prove me wrong.
Oh my gosh, but oh, I got slammed. He's big. He's a good one. Oh, he's running right at me. Oh yeah, look at him. Oh, it's a catfish. Damn it, fish. Holy shiznit. Oh, you got one. Oh, there's a keeper. Oh, get him in here. Hey. Throw frogs. Oh. Whoa. It's another solid fish, these guys. Throw that guy back. Oh, he's nice. Yeah, I know. I seen you casting there. He's a nice one. With him. Whoa, that was scary. Hey, oh, got him. Look at him. Woo! Double up. Double up. What does Kanye say? Oh, no. Lost him. Nice, high five. Huh? This is why I like fishing here. The donkeys are laughing at us. There we go. Are you okay? I have no idea who he is. Daddy just saved us. Oh, Piggn, baby. Piggn. Oh yeah, he's pulling the boat that way. Oh, this is it's a largie. Oh, it's a Piggn, baby. Yes, yes. I'm the little cheater. Yeah, baby. Yes. I haven't caught a giant in such a long time. I'm so excited. In the well right quick. I'm gonna let her go real quick because I want to keep her nice and healthy. But she is a giant fish. She's probably a 5-pounder. Oh man. Come on, green mama. Oh yeah. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Get back in there, go eat some more shatter. Good boy.
Zero scale.
He's on there. Better be on there. No, no, no. Don't you dare do that. Oh, I got him. Piggn. That's a 5-pounder. That's a big girl. Biggest one for me.
He's a monster.
Oh, it's a Piggn.
He's a monster.
Oh, oh,
fight him.
oh.
Do what you gotta do.
Oh,
do what you gotta do. You know? Do what you gotta do. Stay with them. Don't get excited.
Get in the boat, baby.
Stay with them. Stay with them.
I caught a 10-pounder.
Stay with them. Stay with him. Stay with him. Oh my freaking God. That's more than 10 pounds. Jesus.
Look at this fish. If this is not 10 pounds, I'm gonna be upset. All right, guys. Skipping my cheater. Speechless. I'm gonna weigh this fish. This thing is massive.
This
all right, zeroed out right here.
Piggn.
This is a Piggn.
No joke.
Look at this fish. Look at this.
No, that's fine.
Ooh! Welcome to the double-digit club, baby.
No way!
10-5.
Holy shit!
10 freaking 5.
Holy crap!
Yeah, baby.
Double digit.
Double freaking digit. I have been chasing that fish forever. For freaking ever. Like, I've gone out countless times
100 times, 100,000s of hours on the water. Just, oh my gosh.
Good job. Good
It's very emotional just for that fish.
All right, big girl. I know you're a 12-pounder and you're skinny. Oh, go in there.